Have you ever felt like you've hit the plateau in your personal growth journey? No matter how much you are learning, your progress just stops. You can't grow anymore. You can't do more. You just feel like, I think I'm learning more, but nothing is happening. I'm not making progress again. Yes, if you're at that point in your life now, the rightful thing to do is to flip the coin. Move from being a learner to becoming a contributor, a teacher, someone who is teaching other people about something in your industry, in your expertise that other people want to learn. The more you teach other people, the more rooted you will be in your experience, in your career, and then that will bring the growth you're looking for. Growth you're looking for now is not on this other side of learning, but rather it's on this other side where you are the one teaching, not just learning alone. I'm going to talk to you about how to flip that coin, how to move from being a learner to becoming a teacher, from being just a professional who knows how to do the work to becoming someone who can help others. And in this video, I'm going to keep it very short. Before I go into the video, let me tell you my own story. I used to be in this category of learning. Do I still learn today? Yes, I do. But it is no longer how it used to be before. As of 2023, I was reading voraciously. I will read this book, I will watch this tutorial, I will watch this, I will consume this content until I get overwhelmed and I realized there was no progress coming. So I did the same thing I'm about to teach you. I moved from just learning to becoming someone who is teaching. That's why you see me run YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all these platforms where I'm pushing my content. And I feel happy, I feel better putting myself out there, developing this skill of teaching, mentoring, coaching other people to achieve results. So when they get their own results, I feel satisfied because it is no longer about me learning, taking, but this is also me giving and then other people winning. So how do I start this contribution? Number one, ask yourself a question. What have I learned in this my industry? What good thing or what specialty do I have that some other persons would like to learn more about online? That's something you're going to take into where? Into the space. Teach it. If it's a blog, if it's a video, if it's a podcast, find a way to bring it every day online. There are people who are waiting for you. Even if your work doesn't permit you every day, schedule some of your posts and it will work out for you. Just look for a way to squeeze out time to put those contents out there. That's number one way to start contributing. Number two, look for someone who is junior in your industry or in your field. They may not request for you to coach them because they may be scared of you or they feel, oh, you don't have time. Ask them, come. You're a junior person and you're interested in becoming this person in the future. I can coach you. I can guide you. You're studying law or you're learning fashion. Come, let me do something for you. One person per time or two will help you go faster and further. You don't know how much you learn when you're teaching others because they will ask you questions that you didn't even expect, or they will ask you things about your industry that you're not even expecting. And they will also teach you along the way because there are things that young people are researching about you or about your industry, but you may not even have time to search again because you're now a big guy. You don't have time to research some of those stuff again. They are the ones that will teach you the trend. And if you want to stay afloat in your industry, you must learn to teach others and learn from the people you're also teaching. The third thing is create a guide. Look for something you can produce. If it's a digital product, a book, a guide, just a PDF, something that people can easily download and get access to a higher level of knowledge or that solve a particular problem. These are the things that will help you navigate from being just a learner, a freak who wants to watch every video, every tutorial, everything, to becoming someone who is making an impact in people's life. So here's the beautiful thing about being a contributor. It is not about them, it's about you. Because here you're going to learn deeper. You're going to get exposed. You're going to develop your confidence. So here's the challenge for you. Think of something today as you're watching this video that you're going to do today that will teach someone, impact someone in your industry about something interesting that you've learned. Think of it today. Create a video, create a write-up, create an article, anything that can help you teach someone else. I want you to do it today, if possible now. Hi, if you learned something from this class, don't forget to share, comment below, and then like this video. Remember to share it to someone that needs it. My name is Mr. Nis. I'm on a mission to help 1 million individuals build their personal brand. I want to be one of them. Go and contribute today. Thank you.